A doorbell is a device that signals the arrival of a visitor to a residence or business through a ringing sound. So I will discuss top 5 best video doorbell in this market. Let's go. Number 5. Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Video Doorbell is a smart home device designed to enhance security and convenience. It features HD video quality, two-way audio communication, and motion detection capabilities. This enables users to monitor and interact with visitors remotely through a connected device like a smartphone or tablet. The doorbell is designed for easy installation and can be integrated into existing smart home ecosystems for seamless control and monitoring. Additionally, it offers cloud storage options for video recordings, providing an added layer of security. Number 4. Arlo Essential Doorbell. The Arlo Essential is a high-performance security camera suitable for both indoor and outdoor surveillance. Offering crisp HD video, advanced motion detection, and clear night vision, it ensures detailed monitoring around the clock. Two-way audio facilitates remote communication with visitors or potential intruders. Compatible with various smart home platforms, it seamlessly integrates into existing setups. Weather-resistant construction ensures reliable operation in diverse conditions. With optional cloud storage, important video footage is securely archived. The Arlo Essential is a comprehensive and dependable solution for enhanced security. Number 3. Ring Pro 2. The Ring Pro 2 is a state-of-the-art video doorbell designed to enhance home security. It features advanced 1536p HD video, offering sharp and clear visuals. With customizable motion zones and enhanced motion detection, it provides precise alerts and reduces false notifications. The two-way audio allows seamless communication with visitors. It integrates with the Ring app for remote monitoring and smart home integration. The weather-resistant design ensures durability, and optional subscription plans offer extended video storage and additional features for comprehensive security. Number 1. Nest Wired Second Generation. The second generation refers to the improved iteration of a product or technology. It typically signifies advancements in performance, features, and design over the initial version. Manufacturers often address user feedback and implement innovations to enhance usability and functionality. The second gen may boast updated hardware, refined software, and new capabilities, offering a more polished and efficient user experience. It demonstrates the evolution and progress of technology, delivering improved performance and addressing previous limitations. Number 2. Wemo Video Doorbell. Belkin's Wemo is a smart home ecosystem that offers a range of products for seamless automation and control. It includes smart plugs, switches, cameras, and lighting solutions. Compatible with major smart platforms like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, Wemo allows users to manage their devices remotely via a dedicated app. With features like scheduling, voice control, and integration with other smart devices, Wemo offers a convenient and customizable smart home experience, enhancing efficiency and comfort in everyday living.